A properly designed plumbing system is the backbone of a comfortable home, and Anthem Plumbing Installation Services is here to ensure yours runs flawlessly. Imagine stepping into your dream kitchen or bathroom where every fixture is expertly installed, every pipe flows seamlessly, and hot water is always at your fingertips. At Anthem, we don't just install plumbing systems, we create solutions tailored to your unique needs. From the moment you call, our experienced team evaluates your property's layout and water usage patterns to design a custom plumbing system that fits your lifestyle. Whether it's a modern bathroom overhaul or upgrading your kitchen with state-of-the-art fixtures, we've got you covered. Our services include precision installation of sinks, toilets, faucets, and showers, ensuring not only functionality but also a polished look that elevates your home's aesthetic. We know how crucial reliable hot water is to your daily routine, which is why our water heater installation services prioritize energy efficiency and long-term performance. Need seamless water distribution and efficient waste removal? Our experts design and integrate piping systems that guarantee optimal flow and drainage, so you can focus on what matters most. At Anthem, we don't believe in one-size-fits-all solutions. We believe in plumbing systems that work as hard as you do. With every project, our goal is to deliver unmatched quality and peace of mind. Because when your plumbing works perfectly, your home feels perfect. Don't wait to bring your vision to life. Call us today at 760-895-2621 and let Anthem transform your plumbing into a reliable foundation for years of comfort and convenience.